Hello traders, in this video we are going to be taking a look at a pretty unusually named expert advisor for MetaTrader 5 called your falsehood EA. It's a machine learning based system that the developer built very deliberately to make a point above or about curve fitting rather. But of course, the big question for us is, does it actually have any edge, or is it just a lesson wrapped in an EA? Before we dive into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so we'll walk through what the developer claims on the product page, how the strategy is supposed to work, the key features and settings you're given, and then I'll show you my own backtest results and how they stack up against the smooth equity curves in the markets. And for example, as you can see in this image, is an equity curve. Alright, so if you're thinking about loading this onto your live account or even a Profem account, make sure you watch right to the end because the behavior in real data is very different from the dream it sells. Let me close this up. Right, so now we're going to take a look at what the developer says powers your false hope. Let's start with the strategy. All right, so open this up. Your false hope is a fully automated trading system for MetaTrader 5 that focuses on three specific pairs: the AUDCHF, EURCHF, and GBPCHF on the 6-hour time frame. You only need to attach it to one chart, and the EA will handle all three symbols internally, opening and managing trades automatically. Under the hood, the seller says the system is powered by an ensemble of 9 LSTM models, as you can see over here. These are long short-term memory neural networks, a type of recurrent neural network that's quite popular for time series forecasting. He trains these models on multiple time frames, the H12, H8, and H6 in the 12-hour time frame, the 8-hour time frame, and the 6-hour time frame. The idea is that each time frame sees the market differently, and then the ensemble combines these perspectives, weighing their outputs to reach a final decision on whether to buy, sell, or do nothing. All right. So we also have the recommendations. You can see it's recommended you trade um the charts of the EURUSD on the daily time frame. It's recommended you deposit $250 and it is said that $1,000 is even better. Level of hope in reality, meaning you should set realistic expectations. Max positions for and risk per trades 1.0 per $1,000 of deposits. All right. The unique twist with this EA is that it has two models: false hope, as you can see, and reality, as you can see over here. In false hope mode, the EA is designed to produce exactly what a lot of retail traders love to see: a gorgeous backtest equity curve. The seller openly says this model will generate lots of trades, high profits, and low drawdown on historical data. It's the kind of chart that makes people think they found the holy grail. But it's also very clear that this comes from straight up curve fitting. The model in false hope is trained to memorize the path so aggressively that it performs brilliantly on the training period and then tends to fall apart once you step into new unseen data. He even describes the typical pattern. First month it grows, second month it grows, and then at some point you get a blow up. Reality mode is meant to be the opposite. Here, the EA is trained with more conservative assumptions and less optimization. So, the backtest chart looks rougher, less profits, more drawdown, not nearly as pretty. The developer frames this as the honest review of the market, that a good strategy shouldn't hog the perfect equity line in history because the market doesn't repeat itself exactly. In his words, a less pretty chart is actually a good sign because it means the model isn't overtuned to the past and therefore has a better chance of surviving in the future. He goes as far as calling the beautiful backtest charts the verdict, basically saying that the prettier the history looks, the more likely you are to lose on fresh data and the faster your account will blow up. So conceptually, the EA is as much a warning about overfitting as it is a trading tool. All right, so we've basically discussed the strategy. We've talked about the features, what it contains, what it trades on, the AUDCHF, EURCHF, and GBPCHF, while being attached to any single chart. Noting that the recommendation given is EURUSD on the daily time frame, but that's more of a convenience thing. The core engine still works off H6 and its internal ensemble regardless of the chart you attach it to. All right. Okay, so let's look at the properties as well. So we have the level of hoping, as you can see, which is basically the mode selector. This can be set to false hope or reality. He explains that false hope delivers more trades and a much nicer historical equity curve, but reality is the mode with the highest chance of making money going forward because it's less fitted rather. All right, next up, we have the max positions per symbol or trades per signal. In some of the screenshots, this setting controls how many times the EA can open additional positions for the same underlying signal. If the model keeps seeing the same pattern, it can keep adding trades in the same direction until it hits that maximum. We also have the range between positions, minimum distance between additional positions, risk per trade, spread marks, and the rest of that. Take profit, stop loss, trailing stop. All right, let's take a look at some of the screenshots here. Back tests. All right, so you can see with an initial deposit of $1,000, as is recommended, the total net profit was this. This figure should be 6,027,091,470 was the net profits over the period. It was 2015 to 2023, so that was a lot of time. Should be about 8 years of backtests. Okay. The balance drawdown maximal was 7,114,572 US dollars. The gross profit was 6,330,000 to 57. Sorry, 6,330,000,000 to $57,951. All right, so the profit factor was 20.88. All right, this was for that. Let me load up another example. So we can see something similar here, and it just goes on. But how does it really perform when I go to my own personal back tests? Let's see how it actually performs in real time, if it actually holds up. All right. So in the developer's own tests, especially in the false hope mode, the numbers are extreme. It shows a history test from 2015 to 2024, starting from a $1,000 account. In the regular false hope configuration, that false hope mode with 2 trades per signal, the total net profit, as I said, was not of 1.4 million over those 9 years. All right, but when I ran a more recent period test in the reality configuration, the picture changed completely. Same idea, as you can see. Okay, let's have it for a $1,000 deposits on the AUDCHF 6-hour time frame, and let's run it up. You can see how it looks on the charts. You can see it took a sell trade here, and then it spots at this point, close the trade here, over here. And this was a winning trade. Okay. So there are multiple examples as you can see over the charts. Let's take a look at the equity curve. All right. So you see the equity curve tells the story very clearly. Instead of that smooth climb, you get a lot of sideways and downward action. Balance steps down in chunks as losing trades are closed. Our equity is frequently sitting well below balance because of floating drawdown from open positions. You see periods where the curve looks like it might be recovering, then another string of losers takes it back down, and the account never really gets back to break even. All right, so let's take a look at the backtest results. So with an initial deposit of $1,000, the total net profits or loss, actually it was a loss, was $311. The balance drawdown maximal was 34.14%, and equity drawdown was 48.79%. The total trades were 37, and the profit factor was 0.38. All right. So we have that for our backtest results. So you can see it's quite different from what developer claims on the page. So who is this actually for based on everything we've seen? If you're an algo or quant curious trader who wants to experiment with machine learning, maybe on a tiny cent account, and you treat any money in there as tuition, then sure, playing with the false hope versus reality modes could be educational. If you're a content creator or educator, it's also a great example to show your audience why they shouldn't trust a perfect equity curve. Anyone looking for a set and forget solution to trade their main capital, anyone running under strict profit rules where a 5 to 10% daily drawdown breach can kill your account, and honestly, anyone who knows they are psychologically drawn to beautiful strategies because even the warnings, or even with the warnings, those $1 million screenshots in the false hope mode are going to be very tempting. So that's my take on your false hope EA for MT5. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Make sure to subscribe if you want more no nonsense EA reviews like this, where we actually look at what happens in recent data, not just the marketing slides. Thanks for watching, trade safely, and I'll see you in the next one.